This is the plaintiff, William Taylor. He says the defendant, his tenant, ruined his hot tub cover by using it as a bench for herself. The cover's no longer functional. He shouldn't have to pay for damage she caused, so he's suing for the $425.93 he's owed. This is the defendant, Lori Phillips. She says she's being accused of sitting on the edge of the hot tub cover and dangling her feet in the water, and that damaged the cover. She didn't do anything like that. Why would she? If she wants to use the hot tub, she wants her whole body in it, not just her feet. She's accused of only being partially wet.
All parties, please raise your right hand.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket. The plaintiff says the defendant ruined his hot tub cover by using it as a bench, but the defendant says not guilty. It's the case of undercover cover.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome.
William Taylor.
Yes, ma'am.
You are suing your former tenant, Lori Phillips, for $425.93. The amount you say she owes you to replace a hot tub cover that, according to you, she broke. What
Yes,
happened?
Your Honor. Last summer, from about May to August 2011, Lori rented a bedroom from me out of my house. And we have a hot tub in the rear and also a swimming pool. And she utilized both those things back there. That wasn't an issue at all, the swimming pool or the hot tub. The issue was how she used the hot tub and what she would do.
How many people lived in the place?
Like around 5 altogether.
Okay.
It's myself and 4 other roommates. It's a 5-bedroom split level, kind of a Brady Bunch style split level. Mm-hmm. And right around the middle part of August, she would come out of the pool. I seen her at least on one occasion. She'd come out of the pool, go to the hot tub on the other deck, lift the cover over. So now we have it halfway over like that, covering half the hot tub. And then she'd proceed to get in it. And when I questioned her at one occasion about this, she'd say, oh, well, I'm just getting warmed up. The pool is cold. I'm just going to be in the hot tub for a short time.
Wait, you were questioning her because she didn't take the cover completely off.
Right.
Okay.
I was asking her, I said, what are you doing? And she says, oh, I'm just getting warmed up because the pool is too cold. I said, oh, okay, well, as long as you don't get trapped underneath it.
Okay.
I mean, that's all I cared about. So one other time when I was mowing the lawn in the rear, I saw her utilizing the hot tub that way. And on the edge of where she had the cover folded over on this side, and then the edge of the hot tub itself, the stronger reinforcement of the outer side of the hot tub, she would push herself up out of the hot tub in that manner. And on another occasion, this was shortly before she moved out. Now we're in the middle of August. Angela, which is my girlfriend, my other roommate, also, she noticed Lori sitting on it. In other words, sitting on actual half.
Is Angela here to testify?
No, I'll have the notarized statement from her.
Why is she here?
She's deathly scared of planes, so she wouldn't.
So she left you hanging?
Yeah, they all did.
Wow, okay.
So anyway, she informed me of seeing that also. So at that time, I really didn't think much of it, but when you're closing the cover and the hot tub itself is sunk into the deck, only 1 foot of it's up, your perception looking on it, you can't see the actual peak that the cover should have until allow water runoff.
When do you discover all this stuff? After the lady moves out?
Yeah, shortly after.
Did you return
that.
a security deposit? There was no security deposit.
There was no security deposit.
All right, shortly after is how long after?
I'd say within about 6 weeks.
And after 6 weeks that she hasn't lived there, that you then tell her the hot tub cover is, there's a problem with the hot tub cover?
Yeah, you'll see the progressive rains.
Actually, according to you, it's worse than that. He asked you, he claimed something else against you, right? What was that?
He came after me because I did not give him 30-day notice.
Okay.
When I moved out. And
did you?
No, I did not. Okay. I gave him 2-week notice.
And what are you supposed to give him?
I was supposed to give him 30-day notice,
okay.
And I did not. And I was guilty. Yes,
so
I was.
You went ahead and paid the rest of the rent because he said you owed it and you felt you did.
That's correct.
And when you were done paying that, that's the first time that he mentions to you, oh, and by the way, I've decided that you ruined my hot tub cover.
Yeah, he did start. He just came after me in April when I got a letter at work. He came and I got a letter. That's been 6 months ago. I've not heard from him since then.
When did she move out?
She moved out third week of August.
Okay.
Okay, real simple. Are these communal hot tubs kind of gnarly?
No, they're nasty.
So would you go in a hot tub where you knew that 20 other strangers had been in that same day?
No.
Okay, well, there you go. Would you?
No, I wouldn't.
What would you fear?
Diseases for one. I know what people do in hot tubs.
What do I thought they just hot tub.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, going inside the courtroom.
Lori was on a payment plan on that last rent amount. The last payment she made was in the middle of December. Since it was close to the holidays and everything, I did tell her. She did look at me. She says, "Now are we done? I mean, this is it, right?"
Right.
And I says, "Well, other than that hot tub cover in the back."
But why are you bringing it up for the first time? What do you say? August to December is 4 months. So it's not 6 weeks. So why are you bringing it up for the first time 4 months later?
In the middle of December, when she was making that last payment and asked me if this was it, I mentioned to her about the hot tub cover.
I have a question for you that's very simple. If you think she destroyed your hot tub, you know that while she's destroying it. Why aren't you saying something to her then? Why is it 4 months after she has moved out that it comes up? It sounds like an afterthought.
When she made the payment in the middle of December, the last payment of that
I didn't ask you when you told her. We all know when you told her. I'm asking you why you waited 4 months after she moved out, because it sounds like an afterthought you want to pin on her.
No.
Okay, well, that's how you're making it sound. So was there a deliberate reason that you didn't tell her for those 4 months?
In the middle of December, when she made that last payment, I explained to her about the cover and said that I was going to try and repair it. But if that's not possible, when it would warm up, and we did have a warm
I'm curious,
streak.
did you ever try to repair it?
Yeah, when I open it up, I could see that the cover masked a lot of damage in that reinforcement.
Did you ever send it to a professional or ask a professional how much does things cost? $425?
Yeah,
Okay, but you don't have any proof on how old this one is and what its depreciated cost would be. Based on the
2
age.
years. They have a 10-year life, depending on the climate. It could be 10 to 15
years. Do you have any
years.
proof of anything that you just said? That it's 2 years old, that it has a 10-year warranty, that all the other stuff?
The 2 years, I don't have. The others, I do. As far as any of the warranty detail and the pictures where it
Do you
shows
have
it.
warranty details for the one you want to buy or warranty details for this one?
I believe it's the replacement one.
Right, for the one you want to buy. Right.
They just show an industry standard, I guess.
Did you ever lean on the hot tub cover to get out of the hot tub?
I just stepped out of the hot tub.
Did you ever use it with the half flap?
I did get in it when I flapped it over, but I got in on the opposite side in the hot tub.
On the side that you can't get in, the other side's covered by the hot tub.
Right, so you can't, yeah. So
Okay,
I got
did
in.
you
I
ever
sat down.
then lean on it to get up?
Why would I do that? You can stand up and step
Yeah,
out
there's
of
steps.
it.
I don't know
Yeah,
why
there's
anybody
steps.
would get up and want to
Right.
be.
That don't make sense to
and
me.
And then, what did you ever sit on the outside of the hot tub? I sit on the cover of the hot tub.
I never sat on the hot tub cover.
I assume your hot tub has steps, like comfy
Yeah.
steps to sit on.
No, it just has the little
Step.
seats in there, and you got to
Right.
kind of.
Right, you
Wiggle.
stand, you just get up, step on it, and get out.
There's no actual steps in it.
Well, it's a seat that's a step. You step on that to get out. That's how you
Yeah,
get in,
the inside.
right? Yeah.
Right.
It's not happening, Mr. Taylor. Your proof is very, very thin that you need a new hot tub cover thanks to anything Ms. Phillips did. My verdict is for the defendant.
Thank you.
Well, out comes a loser of this case, the plaintiff. Come on in here. Yeah, you couldn't prove anything that that you're claiming in there.
Thought it was a slam dunk, but obviously if she sat on it any longer, it would have been. But
It's funny, but it sounds like you waited so long and you're just trying to get a new hot tub cover, a new one.
No, the bottom line was that I was hoping to repair it and cut her a break in that direction, but that didn't happen when it warmed up in February. So.
All right, okay. All right, just head right down that way. All right, come on in here. So what do you think of the outcome here?
I'm glad it's over, and I knew I was not guilty. So I am happy, and it's over. Amen.
Yeah, how's you like the hot tub?
Oh, yeah.
Using the hot tub?
Not there. Not that house. Somewhere else, maybe, yes. I would enjoy it better.
You're out there seeking out hot tubs?
Oh, yes.
You got another one that you're dunking into?
No, not yet. Not lately, no.
No, okay. Harvey?
You know, you have to have more than a hunch to prove your case. It may be intuitive to you that the other person is responsible, but you need proof and you need to tip the scales of justice.